This is our second motorhome to own in 7 years. We're full-time RVers. In 7 years of being full-time RVers, I've discovered something about motorhomes, about RVs, and that is some of the drawers and the cabinet latches break. They're made out of plastic. And so I've got one or two over here I need to fix. And so what I did is I ordered a batch of them here for like $20. I ordered, oh, it's a whole bunch of them. I think it's like 20 of these things. And I'm gonna be replacing one today. They're quite simple, but I thought I would show you how I replace these latches. Let me show you what it looks like here. Let me open it. They're made out of this cheap plastic like this, and they break. Well, these things just made out of plastic, that's all. And then they're just made out of plastic. When you close them, that's great right there, but they don't last. And so what I did is I ordered a bunch of them for 20 bucks from Amazon. I got a whole bag full here. You know what I mean? How did the water get in there? Today we're going to replace one, and I'm going to show you how it's done. It's quite simple, but if you've never done it, you may think it's difficult. It's not. I'm going to show you. And if you're interested, if you're interested,
what you just said is one of the most insanely idiotic things I have ever heard. At no point in your rambling, incoherent response were you even close to anything that could be considered a rational thought. Everyone in this room is now dumber for having listened to it. May God have mercy on your soul.
And for your convenience, I'm going to put the link right here in the video description. And where is it? Well, it's right here in this door, right? It's right here. It's stuck in here. What I need to do is, of course, order a part. The next thing is to take everything out of the drawer so I can get up under here. The problem with it is every time we drive down the road, this thing keeps doing this. It keeps coming in and out. I got to put a strap around it. I've just simply put it off long enough. What's this? Roast beef. That expired a year ago. Alrighty. Now all we have to do is take our little screwdriver, take these screws out. Now if we take a look at this, we see it's not broken. See, it looks just like this one. What's broken is this thing right here. This thing is broken right here. The actual latching device is broken right here. See, it just fell out, didn't it? That's the problem. We got to replace this. And that is this part right here. We got to replace it. This is not easy to replace that part. What I'm going to do is take the drawer out. Then I think I can get up under there and get it. And in order to take this drawer out, you see, you pull the drawer all the way out. And if you see this little device right here, you simply push down on it and it releases it. You do that on each side. Do it on this side as well. Right here, you push down on it. No, you push up on it, sorry. Now, take the drawer out. Now I can get to it. These things break all the time, y'all. I think there's an age to them or something, an age limit. But it can really be a pain, one of these things like this. They say they make this stuff out of plastic and cheap plastic stuff. When I was a kid, they made things out of metal. Anyway, no complaints. We're going to get down here and fix this now. And like I say, the hardest part is just getting down here and looking under, being able to look up here and get this thing out. We'll do it. Push that back in, get it out of the way. Now, I gotta put my glasses on. All right, this is a smaller one. Let's put it in with screws that are way too big for it. It's not necessary, but that's okay. And whoever put this in, put them in crooked too. Now, we'll just put the new one back in, call it a fix. An awkward position here. There, I think that'll work. Let's check it out. We'll put our drawer back in. This gives me a good opportunity to go through all these canned goods and determine if they've expired or not. Speaking of food expiring, do you know that they found honey that was in the pyramids, in the Gaza pyramids, the pyramids in Egypt? that had been sealed for they estimate 5,000 years, and it was still good. Honey does not go bad. Anyway, before I put everything back in the drawer, I'm gonna make sure that it latches. I don't have to take all that out again. Yep, it latched. Thank you for being here. I thought I'd show you how to do that. It's not that complicated. It's just, you got to kind of be a contortionist to get her to replace these little plastic things. I could break that with my hand. Anyway, I need to stop complaining. I'm gonna go through all these canned goods and toss those that are expired. I don't mind if it's a little bit, but a year is just a little bit too much. When in doubt, throw it out. Anyway, thank you for being here. I hope you got something out of this. Subscribe to the channel if you would like. We'd appreciate that. Give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment. Tell us about any problem that you have at your RV. Anything you would like to see us film. And we'll see you next time right here on Jerry Chambliss Freedom Road. I thank you very much. And you guys take care. Used by June 24. That's a year ago. June 24. Bush's beans. June 24. November 27. That'll be good. These are good until 2027. I have several of these. They're not that bad. Mayo, good until December. I've been needing some mayo. Barbecue sauce, no date. Peanut butter, good to January 26th. I'll keep it. Pinto beans, good for a couple more years. Summer sausage, expired last summer. Summer sausage, expired last December. Summer sausage, expired in the winter. That's a shame.